Hey, welcome back to Mount Pleasant Farm, and this is a very fast video. This is a 2018 Dodge Durango air filter conversion to a K&N filter. It's a quick replacement, but there's some people out there who just don't know where this stuff is, so I'm going to show you. Under the hood, 2018 Durango, and probably a bunch like it. It's dirty and dusty, yes, but over here on your right is this box right here. This is your air filter box. This filters the air that goes into the engine intake right there. It's really simple. There's two latches. There's one latch here, flip it down, just snaps, and one latch here. By these little cables, snap it down. And you're going to take this, and the other side, it's just engaged basically right here. You just got to pull it this direction and lift it up, okay? So you take this thing, just kind of lift it up, pull it towards you to unlock the other side. Lift it up, and there's your air filter right there. Then you're going to reach in and pull that out of there. I'll show you right here. Switch hands real quick. Grab that filter, lift it up, pull it. See, it's coming out like that, so you can see it. Pull it right out of there. All right. This is trash because we're going to go to the K&N filter. Trash on the floor for now. So when you get your K&N filter, it's going to be the exact same size as a stock filter, except it's going to look a lot better. It's like a purple color. That's oil in the filter. When these filters are brand new, you do not need to service them. They can go straight in. This is a 1,000,000-mile air filter. So you will have to take it out occasionally, and I mean occasionally. And you can service these filters by cleaning the old oil out in the dirt and blowing them out. And then you just spray the new oil on it and throw it back in. You know, you do that once it's been dried from cleaning. So anyway, we're going to unpackage this. We're going to pop it right back in place. Okay, installation is reverse of removal. Make sure all your stuff is clear in there. This little tab likes to fall in and get in your way. Take your filter, pop it in there. Making sure you gotta make sure it pops in all the way. These are a little stiffer than the stock filter, but they sit in there really nice. So make sure all your tabs are out of the way. And drop the housing back down. Set it down there. Pop right in. This other one will pop right in. All right. There you go. That's it. All right, so simple replacement to put a K&N filter in place of the stock filter. And a lot of you are probably saying, Scott, why did you do a video on this? Because one, I felt like it. Two, there are people out there who do not know how to replace an air filter on their own vehicle. And I think people ought to be able to do that and not have somebody else do it for $100 or more. And if you're going to replace your air filter, I would recommend putting in a K&N air filter because it breathes better. You don't ever have to replace it again unless you somehow really screw it up. And it's supposed to actually increase your engine by a few horsepower, which I've never noticed a difference, but I think it definitely makes it breathe better. So that's why I made a video on this. I hope you found this helpful. Very basic video, but hey, man, it's some people are just trying to get by and do a little bit of work on their own. And now hopefully somebody knows how to do this. So hope you all have a great day. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. And as always, keep getting after it.